Okay guys, I'm here to explain the assignment to you guys for the homework for lesson 6. I can imagine that a lot of people would find it difficult because it's new software, so I'm going to use this video to explain it to you guys step by step. If you look at the homework for lesson 6, you see I've attached several files. The first one I've attached is Mindmup 2.0. If you open this, then you get to this screen. Then it says to me it'll be signed in as my account, so you guys will probably have a button here that you need to sign in, so I'll sign out. So you sign in with your Google, and then it'll say which Google account, and then you need to allow Mindmap these permissions to be able to use it. Then you click create a new map, and it opens a mind map in your drive where it is saved automatically. Please name this mind map Booklet 1, because that of course is what it's going to be about, and you guys are going to be making this mind map for a grade. So of course here in the middle you can do cells and life processes, which is the title of this booklet, in case you didn't know yet. You can add nodes with this mind map. So this is how you add nodes, and you can type in them. Then you can add sister nodes. You can even add an image node, would like permission, so you can allow it. You might need to give permission again. And then I've got different photos here that we've used from different programs. So you can also go to upload photos and look for various photos that you can use and images. Make sure that you turn on autosave, otherwise your mind map will not be saved whilst you're working, which means it will always be stuck on the spinning wheel of death. I've added a glossary for you guys to the assignment, and the glossary, I've highlighted the words that we've already covered in class, so that should be in your mind map. The other words that are still white are ones that are going to be added later in the chapter. And I've also added the summary assignment, so you guys know what your final summary is going to be graded on. The homework for lesson 6 is not for a grade, but this is to make sure that you guys make a good start on your final summary for their grade. So make sure you read the assignment and you know what needs to be included. I have a mind map here I started earlier. When you have your mind map finished, it could possibly be very big, nearly too big for you to hand in. So what you can do then is you press Command-Shift-4 and you can take photographs of part of the mind map, and then these are what you hand in on Classroom. And this is what eventually you will be graded on. I hope this helps you guys. I hope this makes it a bit clearer. If not, ask questions, but make sure you ask questions on time. Good luck with this assignment, and I look forward to seeing you in class, and I look forward to seeing your mind maps. See you guys.